guys, welcome to another Online with Judy Fine vocal workout video. If you enjoy this video, please like it, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and head over to onlinewithjudyfine.com to find out about more online learning options. Enjoy your workout. So it's 3 notes on the vowels A, E, and Ah. And there's a break in between each note so that you can hear the pitch in your head before you sing it. A, E, Ah. Now notice I'm not singing E, right? I'm not sliding up to the pitch and I'm not falling away from it before it's complete. It's just an E, Ah. Give the exercise a try. Starting here or here. And big ribs, relaxed shoulders, relaxed cheeks, relaxed upper lip, jaws just hanging there. And begin. A, E, Ah. A, E, Ah. A, E, Ah. A, E, Ah. Keep going without me. Make sure you pause in between. Pause. Hear it in your head before you sing. Keep going. Nice open, relaxed throat. Hear the pitch in your head before you sing it. Open throat. Few more. Pause to hear it in your head. Pause. Pause. A, E, Ah. A, E, Ah. Last one.